What inspired you to write Kamukha? Is it based on your personal experiences, observations, ganon?
Yeah, based on personal experiences. Pero hindi siya specific experience. Para siyang reflection ng sarili ko. Like how I think with yung mga bagay-bagay and how I process things. Kasi kanina in example ko nga, dati meron akong parang old na pillow. Parang Winnie the Pooh. Tapos parang sobrang luma na niya. Nung bata ako parang durug-durug na siya. Yung ang pangit na. Pero one day pinalitan ng parents ko ng bagong version nun. Parang nalungkot ako kasi alam kong replacement lang siya nung thing na yun. It's not the same thing. So parang yun talaga yung naaalala kong dun sa song ko. And para rin siyang merong moving tungkol dun eh. Alam ko na. Merong episode yung Mr. Bean na cartoon. Tapos yung may pusa dun na yung cat na masungit nung parang lola. Tapos parang one day, parang nawala ni Mr. Bean yung cat na sobrang masungit. Tapos parang si Mr. Bean nakahanap ng kamukha nun. Tapos pininturahan niya para same ng prints. Tapos nung binalik na dun sa house, napansin pa rin ng owner
diba
na...
kasi hindi siya I saw this episode kasi he wasn't acting the same. Yung pusa. I love that. So I love that that's the concept.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.